Before the 2019 MLB season could come to a close, the Colorado Rockies and the San Francisco Giants apparently owed us one more marathon of a baseball game. I'm breaking it all down for you in today's DNVR Sports Report presented by Denver Rubber Company. Operating since 1972, Denver Rubber Company provides the highest quality products with a fast turnaround while offering innovative solutions to serve a diverse line of industries. If you need a reliable, local partner for long-term projects or custom design and cost effectiveness, go to drcfirst.com/DNVR today, as Denver Rubber Company is one of the nation's leading industrial products and fabrication organizations. The Rockies beat the San Francisco Giants 8-5 in extra innings Tuesday night as they began their three-game series at Oracle Park. The game featured a combined total of 25 pitchers who worked 16 innings. That was a new major league record for number of pitchers used in a game. To start, Colorado had Jeff Hoffman on the mound. Hoffman had a solid game until he had to be removed early after taking a line drive off of his right leg. Every run scored by the Rockies Tuesday night came by way of a home run, including DNVR Rockies fans' favorite Garrett Hampson, who continued his torrid late season stretch with 2 home runs. The game was truly a back-and-forth battle that continued for 16 straight innings. Charlie Blackmon finished things off for the night with a 3-run jack in the top of the 16th against Derek Rodriguez to give Colorado the 8-5 win. The two clubs play their second game of the series tonight with a 7:45 p.m. first pitch. Don't forget to subscribe to all of our coverage on thednvr.com. I'm Allie Monroy. Have a great day, everyone.